Today I am reviewing the MSI MAG 271QP gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the heart of this monitor is the third generation QD-OLED panel, which offers stunning image quality that's simply breathtaking. Unlike traditional LCD panels, the QD-OLED technology combines the vibrant color capabilities of quantum dots with the deep contrast of OLED, producing colors that are richer, more accurate, and incredibly lifelike. This means whether you're exploring vibrant game worlds or editing photos and videos, you'll enjoy vivid hues and deep blacks that really pop. One of the standout features of this MSI monitor is its insanely fast 0.03 millisecond gray-to-gray response time. This ultra-low latency practically eliminates motion blur and ghosting, giving you crisp, clear images during fast-paced action sequences. Whether you're playing competitive FPS games or fast-paced racing titles, this monitor keeps up with every lightning-fast move, giving you a real competitive edge. Complementing this is the 240Hz refresh rate, which is incredibly smooth and fluid. Most monitors top out at 144Hz or 165Hz, but MSI pushes it further, allowing you to enjoy buttery, smooth gameplay with almost no screen tearing or stutter. This high refresh rate ensures your visuals are always silky smooth, reducing eye strain during extended gaming sessions. When it comes to color accuracy, the MSI MAG 271QP excels with its QD premium color technology, meeting professional-grade standards with a delta less than or equal to 2. This means colors are reproduced with remarkable precision and consistency, which is crucial for creative professionals and gamers who demand the best image fidelity. HDR enthusiasts will appreciate the VESA DisplayHDR True Black 400 certification. This HDR standard enhances your viewing experience by providing deeper blacks and a more dynamic range of colors, making bright scenes brighter and dark scenes more detailed. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or working with HDR content, the visuals are rich and immersive. Beyond its display prowess, this MSI monitor is designed for comfort and usability. It's VESA mountable, giving you flexible placement options. The stand is fully adjustable, allowing you to tilt and change the height to find your perfect ergonomic setup, essential for long gaming or work sessions. The monitor also comes with built-in speakers, so you get decent audio without needing external speakers for casual use, although gamers and audiophiles might still prefer dedicated headphones or sound systems. One feature that gives users peace of mind is the 3-year burn-in warranty. OLED panels, while stunning, have traditionally been susceptible to burn-in. MSI addresses this concern by offering an extended warranty that covers OLED burn-in, showing their confidence in the durability and quality of this panel. In summary, the MSI MAG 271QP QD-OLED X24 gaming monitor is an outstanding choice for gamers and professionals who want exceptional image quality, ultra-fast response times, and smooth gameplay. Its combination of 3rd Gen QD-OLED technology, blistering 240Hz refresh rate, and professional-grade color accuracy make it a standout option in the competitive gaming monitor market. If you want a monitor that can keep up with high-level gaming, provide stunning visuals for creative work, and offer lasting reliability backed by a solid warranty, this MSI model deserves serious consideration.